Look at that, man. That looks cool. It's like a dog or a horse or something, man. It's wild. It's a huge cloud, man. Hoping that nuclear fallout from Marion. Just kidding, boys. It's a big Wednesday night, man. Big storm getting ready to roll up Marion. I hope we don't produce a tornado out of that big fucker. It looks nasty. There's my garage out here. Yeah. Garage. It's a big one. It's gonna look like it's gonna let loose. It's wild, that little cloud right there. Now it looks like a dinosaur or something. It's crazy. It looked like a dog a little bit ago. Maybe it is a dog or a camel. I don't know. It's wild. Pretty cool, man. Giant clouds getting ready to pour. Southside Marion High.